അനസാറിൽ നിന്ന് ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിലോട്ട് പോകണം. അനസാറ് ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. Okay. Okay, now we will see the scope of the method study. Which are the scope? Various scopes in the method study. Okay. So the method study, we now studied the method study with related to industries, but beyond that, many other areas also this method study is implemented. So such that in offices, hospitals, banks, or any other service organizations, everywhere this method study is there or conducted, not only on the industries. So beyond that also the method study will be there. So we'll see some areas where this can be done, or the in which areas there are much better scope for the method study. We'll analyze each case. First of all, so the areas, which all areas where the method study can be applied successfully. First one, to improve work methods and procedures. So the areas where we have to improve the methods and procedures. Whenever we have to improve some methods in some areas, suppose we have to improve the methods or the procedures, pre-existing procedures, we have to improve it, then we will undergo the method study. Then next is to determine the best sequence of doing work. ജിജോരാജ് കൂട്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഓക്കെ, വണ്ടിയിലൊക്കെ പോവാ അല്ലേ? Anyway, in any procedure, there is a particular typical sequence is there. After finishing one job, then we will move to next job, or in that manner there will be a particular sequence or sequence of arrangement or a set of procedures arranged in a particular sequence. So in order to do the work efficiently, what is the best sequence, out of which is the best sequence? This is to be done using the method study. This can be done by method study. By analyzing the methods or analyzing the time, we can choose the best sequence of doing this particular job. Now, next is to smoothen the work material flow. To smoothen the workflow or the material flow with minimum backtracking. And to improve layout. അതായത് മിനിമം ബാക്ക് ട്രാക്കിംഗ്, മുമ്പോട്ട് വെച്ച കാലം മുമ്പോട്ട് എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ, അതേപോലെ യു ഹാവ് ടു ഗോ ഫോർവേഡ് ആൻഡ് നോ ബാക്ക് ട്രാക്കിംഗ്. സോ ഇൻ ഓർഡർ ടു minimize the backtracking or prevent the backtracking, or with minimum backtracking and the improved layout, how we can smoothen the material flow. So the material flow will be there, or it will be smoothened if we can, if it is able to minimize the backtracking. If suppose there is any failure, then it should be backtracked, or it should the process should come back and redesign, and once again it should be moved to the in the forward direction. So these all things can be done by appropriate work study or a method study. Then improving the, or to improve the work conditions. We already discussed these things. To improve the work conditions, or working conditions, and thereby improving the labor efficiency. So by improving the So in order to improve the working conditions, by improving the working conditions, we can improve the labor efficiency. Labor efficiency also increases automatically if the working conditions, or his load, if the working load is decreased, or safety is increased, or there is some leisure time for him, then ultimately his quality also increases, or his efficiency, his output also increases. Next, to reduce the monotony in work. Reduce monotony in the work. That means ഒരേ വർക്ക് തന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെ കാലാകാലം ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്, ഒരു മോണോട്ടോണി ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ അത് തന്നെ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് ചെയ്ത് തന്നെ മടുക്കും അല്ലേ? ആ ഒരു മടുപ്പ് നമുക്ക് ഒഴിവാക്കാൻ പറ്റും. Suppose we are studying the motion, we will be able to analyze how we can effectively modify the work. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ മോഡിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് ഇടയ്ക്കിടയ്ക്ക് നടത്താം, thereby reducing the monotony of the work. ഒരാൾക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന ആൾക്ക് ഇത് മാത്രമേ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ, ആ ഒരു രീതിയിലേക്ക് മാറും, അത് മാറുന്നു. Next, improve plant utilization and material utilization. To improve plant utilization and material utilization. Where we improve the plant utilization, maximum utilization, or optimizing the resources and also the materials by improving or the improved procedures or by basic method study. And next, the main thing, that is the elimination of waste and unproductive operations. The same points are already discussed. Active operations. And finally, to reduce the manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost through reducing cycle time of operations. Cycle time means there will be some repetitive works are there. In case of that, there will be a cycle. For each cycle, if we are able to reduce at least 3 seconds, then ultimately what happens is there will be thousands of cycles. So then there will be, or we will be able to reduce much time. So the total manufacturing time required for the manufacturing will be reduced. So the cost associated with that also can be reduced. So these are the scopes or areas where the method study can be implemented. So these are the scope of method study. Now we will see the basic procedure, how the method study is done, or the basic procedure of the method study. Basic procedure. So this is a 6-step procedure. First of all, we'll just give the names. Later we will discuss in detail. First one, select. Then record. Third one, examine. Develop. Install. And finally, maintain. So these are the basic procedure in method study. First one, select, then record, then comes examine, develop, install, and maintain. So select means selecting the method, which all methods are to be studied or examined. There are a lot of methods. We cannot critically examine each method, but we will, the supervisor, as a supervisor, he will get an idea that is this particular method can be modified so that we can make some profit or we can optimize the procedure. So that thing comes in the selection, that is select. Then record. In record, what happens is we will record the events or the methods, procedures, how it is conducted. We will use certain methods or procedures or some camera and all, anything. We will record these things. Now examine. Examine means we will examine each things, critically examine by these recordings and all, or the datas, the process charts and all, that comes under the record. So using these datas, we will examine what all things are happening or how it is happening. Then develop. Then we will later we will develop the method, a new method, which all thing is practical and feasible. How we can modify it, or we can make it in a safer manner or effective manner, or how we can make it more economical, or how we can modify it so that it will be more acceptable to the sales department or to the customer. Then next, after that developing, then we will install this changes, or we will install the new product. After that, we will maintain it. That means the new product, it should be maintained properly, or we should verify the control, or we should control the procedure or the process in order to maintain it. So these are the 6-step procedure in any method study. So first of all, select. This select. This select object, select the job. Selecting a job, this is mainly based on three factors. Three factors. First one, economic considerations. Economic considerations. Then technical considerations. Then comes human considerations. Okay. Based on these factors, the selection process is done. First of all, economic consideration. Economic means something related to money. So if a particular method is improved, suppose if a particular method is improved, then we can get an idea. That is, if it is modified, then we will get some profit, or we will get some economic benefit. So in that case, we will select those methods, study it, record, examine, develop, and install and maintain. So that is the first factor, that is relating to money. That is the economic consideration. Next is the technical consideration. So there the technical knowledge should be there, which all techniques or technologies are used, and based on the technical factors, technologies, based on the technologies, we will select the procedure. This technology is to be modified, or if some other technology is there, then how we can incorporate this in the present scenario. There is a second factor. And then next is the human consideration. Human consideration means regarding the worker or the labor, he should be satisfied. If like the law of inertia, everyone is having a tendency to go in a safe zone or continue in his present job or present way of doing. But if there is any change, he may not accept it. Sometimes he may accept, sometimes he may not be accepting. So these all things. So there will be some issues with the workers, whether there will be some trouble for the new process method. If the new method is implemented, it may affect him. So his behavior may change, or that will affect the efficiency of the work, total work. So that should be taken into consideration. So the human consideration also is an important factor while choosing or selecting. So in the select process, these are the key factors. That is first one, economic consideration, then technical consideration, and finally human consideration. Now coming to record. Record. Recording can be done in many ways. So here, this is mainly dealing with the gathering of the data or abstracting the data, which all data are there. We are taking that or recording the data, which all things are there, the controlling parameters, everything we are recording. This can be done in two methods, by using two methods. First one, by using process chart. And then by flow diagrams or diagrams. These all we'll discussing later. Now, the process chart itself, there are many types. First one, process outline process chart. Then flow process chart. Then two-handed process chart. And finally, multiple activity charts. These are the types of process charts. That is outline process chart, flow process chart, two-handed process chart, multiple activity chart. These all we will discuss later. And regarding the diagrams, flow diagrams, Then string diagrams, string diagrams, micro motion study, micro motion study, cycle graph, cycle graph, chronocycle graph. So these are the methods in record process. So in first of all, we select the procedure or select the method, which all methods to study using these factors. Next, record. Next step is record, where the data, the sufficient data regarding it will be gathered or recorded, and this is done mainly using process charts and diagrams. So these are the process charts: outline process chart, flow process chart, two-handed process chart, multiple activity charts, and using certain diagrams like flow diagram, string diagram, micro motion study, cycle graph, chronocycle graph. These are the types of diagrams. After that, gathering the data, what we do is we examine, that is the purpose, place, and sequence of every operation. These all things should be critically examined. What is the main purpose? Then place, sequence. These all things should be critically examined. Later, we will move to develops. That means after examining, okay, it's okay, it is working perfectly. So then we will develop a new technique based on the existing. If the existing have these much shortcomings, then we will develop a new procedure, and it should be practical and feasible. The thing is, this develop. Here, we have to develop in such a manner that it should be practical and feasible. Safe and effective. Economical. And also acceptable to design, production control, and sales department. Okay. Here in the develop procedure, this develop method, this should be the method which is developed, it should be practical and feasible. Feasible ആയിരിക്കണം, അതുപോലെ പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ ആയിരിക്കണം. അല്ലാതെ നടക്കാത്ത എന്തോ തോന്നുന്ന പോലെ ഒരു സ്വപ്നം കണ്ട പോലെ നമ്മൾ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല അല്ലേ? ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ ഓർ ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി ഫീസിബിൾ ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഷുഡ് ബി സേഫ് ആൻഡ് എഫക്റ്റീവ്. The safety should be made into consideration and it should be effective. Also economical. ലാഭം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം അല്ലേ? നഷ്ടമാവരുത്. കോസ്റ്റ് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യണം, ഒപ്റ്റിമൈസ്ഡ് മാനർ. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി എക്കണോമിക്കൽ. ഇനി എന്താണ്? വാട്ട് ഓൾ തിങ്സ് യു ഡെവലപ്പ്, ഇറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി അക്സെപ്റ്റബിൾ ടു ദീസ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ്സ്, ഡിസൈൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ്, പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ്, കൺട്രോൾ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ്, പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ കൺട്രോൾ, സെയിൽസ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ്. ഇതിനെല്ലാത്തിനും ഈ മൂന്ന് സാധനം, പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ കൺട്രോൾ, ഡിസൈൻ, സെയിൽസ് ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ്, ഇവരൊക്കെ അക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ആ ഒരു അക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള ഒരു പ്രൊസീജിയർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുക, ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യുക. ആഫ്റ്റർ ഡെവലപ്പിംഗ് then we will install it. So the new method will be installed mainly with the help of these supervisors and operators. അപ്പോൾ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ സൂപ്പർവൈസേഴ്സും ഓപ്പറേറ്റേഴ്സും ഇവരെല്ലാം നല്ലൊരു ട്രെയിനിങ്ങിന് ശേഷം എന്താണ് ഇവരിതെല്ലാം ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യുന്നു. Then after that this method is maintained properly throughout the life. അതിനുശേഷം എന്താണ് അതിനെ മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്തു പോകുന്നത്. These are the basic procedures of a method study. So basic procedures include select, record, examine, develop, install and maintain. Okay.